मुरगांव पत्तन्यासान इमानदारी एक जीवनशैली ह्या विशयाचेर सतर्कता जागरूकता सप्ताह 2019 आयोजन केल्लें. ह्या वेळार सायक्लोथॉन आयोजन केल्लें. ह्या सायकल मॅरेथॉनात तरणाट्यां बरोबर ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो. RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
My name is Vijay Dutt. I am a Chief Vigilance Officer in Marmugao Port Trust, and we are organizing this cyclothon to mark Vigilance Awareness Week 2019. The basic aim of this cyclothon is to spread awareness among the general public, members of MPT employees and their families about the need for eradication of corruption from the public life. And you can see all these participants are very enthusiastic. They are participating in this cyclothon, and I hope this will spread a message to the society that corruption should need to be eradicated from the public life.
My name is Gagan Malik. I am Airport Director, Goa International Airport. It's an honor to have the cycle marathon organized by Marmugao Port Trust, and the best part is that I see very senior people encouraging the young generation to do the cycling, and their fitness shows that I also need to take care of my figure and body, and I also need to do the cycling. And this integrity pledge which we are going to take at this Goa International Airport is a new thing for us also, that we have got so many cyclists coming from different parts of the state taking part here, and I'm sure we will also take a cue from this, and we'll also plan something like that, and then we'll go to MPT.
Thank you, sir.
This time you have come here, next time we'll probably plan to go to the MPT, and I wish you all the best. And this pledge which you are going to take should not remain just a lip service. This needs to be inculcated into our lives, and that's very important. And as seniors who are here, it's their prime responsibility to take care that this pledge which is being taken by the youngsters, they understand the meaning of it, they bring it into their life, and we all work for the upbringing of the society and our nation. Thank you very much.